Welcome, East Florida Explorer here, and today I'm at Ponce Inlet in Volusia County, Florida. Right here near the Ponce Inlet Lighthouse, hiding behind the oaks. But I found an interesting plaque here that says the Ponce DeLeon Inlet Lighthouse Tramway. The Ponce DeLeon Lighthouse Tramway tracks once ran through Kay and Aries Davies Lighthouse Park, which I'm in right now, from the river to the base of the lighthouse. It was installed in 1884. Wow. And now it says the tramway was removed when construction of the lighthouse was complete. The cement walkway, which covers the tramway path, was installed in 1909, which is this sidewalk that goes to the lighthouse. Wow, pretty cool. Oral history suggests the African-American handyman and fishing guide Posady Hotel may have assisted in the sidewalk's construction. That's a little picture of it there. And right there is the river, and they took this was the tramway that I guess helped build the lighthouse in this little area. It's like a little community over here. Lots of brick old buildings from the early 1800s. And there's the lighthouse. But I just saw that little bit of history, thought it was pretty fascinating. And I'm gonna go in here and explore the lighthouse one day. Today I was just checking out the beach and the river, a couple spots, and just came across this area with the Ponce Inlet Lighthouse. Pretty cool. Cool spot. Thanks for joining me. Just a little information, little history. I'll see you guys next time.